to find out. Huh! Idea! Baby, you wait here. I'll be back. I'm gonna pull this here, pull this here, roll this here. I'm gonna jump in using this to look who's there. Hello? Who's there? Hello? Wow! This ladder gonna help us now, help us now, help us now. We will find out who comes there and call them loud. Johnny, did you see anyone? No, nobody's there. Hey, little Squirry, can you tell us who's playing there? We heard so many sounds. The little squirrel is finding them, finding them, finding them. But he hides inside the thick hard bush. What's going on there? Johnny, look! A huge... Huh? Oh no!
Hey, my little ones, what happened?
Mommy, something's huge there! It's so big!
Oh dear, look, it's just a toy dino. Kids are playing with it.
Huh?
We have some new neighbors.
Neighbors?
Let's go meet them.